Sevastopol School District in Wisconsin found a creative way to give high school students real-world experience in a field where the community has plenty of jobs to fill. The district partnered with the local technical college to create the Door County Machining Program Lab. Students from any Door County high school can come here to learn how to operate machinery while earning free college credits. Let's take a closer look.
CNC machining is one of the fastest growing industries in Door County. So this program was created as an incentive to get students interested in this career path and also to keep young local people in the county. CNC stands for Computer Numeric Control. You're starting with a blank piece of metal and putting it into a machine and making a functional, usable part out of that metal.
It's hands-on. It's a lot better than just sitting in a classroom. There's a little bit of that, but it's mainly shop time and hands-on work.
A fair pro would definitely have to be running the machines. Because you're running a lathe, you're running mini mills, you're running manual mills and all that. These few months that we've had here already, I've learned more than I've known, so it's definitely worth it to come here.
It also fits with what I want to do in the future, and it's also essentially a free college semester. After graduation, I'm going to go down to Green Bay and continue the degree, and once I'm done with that, come back to Sturgeon Bay and probably find a job in manufacturing.
Right now we're dealing with a big skills gap, right? There's infinite amount of work, but not enough people to fill the jobs that we have right now. Just even having those entry-level skills is huge right now. To create that pride and passion in students is pretty amazing to see. Best case scenario, they go on to become machinists and they love machining. Worst case scenario, they learned some valuable skills and they earned free college credit. So there's no downside to it. It's a win-win.
The Door County Machining Program Lab is a win for students and the community. It has the potential to accelerate students' education while also putting jobs back into the area. Thanks for joining me on the road.